In this video, we're going to show you how to fix AutoCAD dimensions not showing in layout or paper space. Dimensions are one of the most important parts of any technical drawing because they communicate the size, location, and scale of objects. When dimensions fail to appear in a layout, it can make your sheets incomplete and difficult to understand. This issue is especially frustrating when everything looks correct in model space, but the dimensions seem to disappear as soon as you switch to layout or paper space. Fortunately, in most cases, the dimensions haven't been deleted, they're simply being hidden by a setting, scale issue, or viewport configuration. The good news is that there are a few simple checks that can quickly restore your dimensions and get your layouts displaying correctly again. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of easy methods to make missing dimensions visible in layout and paper space. So, let's get started. The first method is to check the dimension layer. Open the Layer Properties Manager and locate the layer that contains your dimensions. Make sure the layer is turned on, thawed, and not frozen in the current viewport. If the layer was hidden in the viewport, turn it back on and check whether the dimensions appear. If the dimensions are still missing, check the annotation scale. Select one of the dimensions and verify that its annotation scale matches the viewport scale being used in your layout. If necessary, add the correct annotation scale or adjust the viewport scale so the dimension can display properly. After making the changes, regenerate the drawing and check the layout again. In most situations, these two methods will solve the problem. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, verify that the dimension layer is visible and not frozen in the current viewport. Second, check the annotation scale and make sure it matches the viewport scale being used in the layout. And third, refresh the drawing after making changes to confirm that the dimensions appear correctly. Remember that dimensions often disappear in paper space because of viewport-specific settings rather than because they have been deleted. Taking a few moments to inspect layers and annotation scales can save a lot of troubleshooting time. Keeping your dimension styles, annotation scales, and viewport settings organized can also help prevent similar issues in future projects. It's a simple troubleshooting process, but understanding how dimensions interact with layouts can make your drawings more reliable and professional. And that's how to fix AutoCAD dimensions not showing in layout or paper space. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.